In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to effortlessly link ChatGPT with our appointment scheduling tool, enabling it to schedule appointments for your users with ease. Let me show you. First, let's go to the Tool section and create a calendar. Once the calendar is created, let's head to the Integration section to create our ChatGPT trigger. Name your trigger and specify what it does. The data to be collected is date and time of the appointment. Please save this data in a date and time custom field. Select the calendar in which you would like to schedule the appointment. Make sure your ChatGPT trigger is selected. The appointment was successfully booked. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.